People often ask me, what will the impact be on the aviation industry, on travel and tourism, if the oil price was to go up by another $20 a barrel or something like that? Well, I can tell you this. If you look at the price of an air ticket, the fact is that in real terms it's fallen dramatically over the last few years. For one reason: budget airlines. Budget airlines have taught us how to fly efficiently, with higher numbers of passengers per plane, fewer empty seats, faster turnarounds, and every cost trimmed out of the system, online booking and the rest. And as a result of that, we've seen this dramatic fall in the cost of air travel. Now, if oil prices was to go up, let's say to $150 a barrel or even $200 a barrel, would it kill off the airline industry? No, it wouldn't. Let's take business travel for a start. Let's take a business ticket between London and New York, which at the moment is, let's say, anything up to $7,000. The actual fuel component of that ticket price is tiny. It's just a few dollars. So even if the oil price was to treble, it would not materially affect the price of that ticket or the numbers of people that travel on a business seat. Now obviously it's different in ordinary economy tickets, but even there, I'm not talking about budget airlines now, but even there on a long-haul flight, the actual difference in cost would not be so significant as to kill the market. Why? Because of the extreme desire of people to travel. Even with an airline that's running budget tickets between, say, I don't know, London and Rome, let's take a ticket where the average cost at the moment for the return flight is in the region of around $160, which is the basis on which budget airlines work. I know they appear to be giving away millions of free seats, but actually the average cost they get from a seat is around $160 return. Now if you were to double the price of oil, you'd have to add maybe $20, $30, $40 onto the price of that ticket, maybe slightly more. Will people stop traveling? I doubt it. What would they do? Just buy one less pizza when they get to Rome and one less bottle of wine. They would still travel. Why? Because people love to do it. And even if you were to increase that ticket price by $30, $40, $50, $60 or even $75, all you'd be doing is putting the price of aviation for that individual back to where it was maybe 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10 years ago, before the budget airlines got so incredibly clever at traveling people around. So what's the conclusion? The conclusion is this: that even if airlines continue to run on kerosene, which they probably will for a very long time, that we will see relatively little change as a result of increased price. And that means that the airline industry can certainly withstand a carbon tax on every ticket of maybe $10, $20 for a short haul, $40 on a long haul. It's not likely to have a massive impact on the amount of travel that people do. Now it's true at the margins that some people may choose not to travel. It's true that for other reasons business travelers may come under pressure to justify their carbon footprint, but they won't be doing it for cost-saving reasons, because, as I say, the actual increase on a business class ticket will be relatively slight. They'll be doing it for more image reasons, PR reasons, and maybe conscience reasons. But we can see that the actual cost of travel is relatively unaffected, strangely enough, by the cost of oil.